Hello guys, hello friends. We have here a 1968 Lincoln penny. Let's read what is written in the coin. In God we trust. Liberty. Okay, let's look at the back of the coin. The back of the coin. United States of America. E pluribus unum. 1 cent. Let's find out the value or price of this coin. Okay, here we go. The value of a 1968 D Lincoln penny in average condition to be worth 5 cents, while one in mint state could be valued around $16. Okay, bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.